Alright everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we are actually heading down to Heritage, Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram of Owings Mills, Maryland. Got to get the whole name out right. Another buddy of mine is taking delivery of a Charger Scatpack today. I don't know if you can tell based on the last video, so I'm wearing the same shirt. It is the same day that I just filmed the 1-year ownership review of the Hellcat Redeye, which we are in right now. But yeah, we're heading down to the dealership. Get around his car. We're going to film his delivery process, so it should be fun. He's upgrading from his Challenger Scatpack to a brand new 2020 Charger Scatpack. So yeah, so get back with you guys when we get to the dealership. All right everyone, so we've arrived at the dealership. Brought the whole Hellcat Redeye, and then we have old Brant Murphy's YouTube channel over here. He's trading in his Scatpack Challenger. So I've seen your car before you.
Yeah, I know you did.
It's quite nice. So I've been here for like 15-20 minutes, and he just got here. They just pulled his car off the showroom to go get it cleaned again. So I can tell you this, man, it looks mean.
Yeah,
it looks mean.
I'm excited to see it, man.
Driving out of the,
even more excited.
Yeah, driving out of that showroom, that stance on it was nice. So we're gonna go in here. He's gonna end up doing the paperwork and all that stuff, and then when it's time to see the car, we'll get back with you. Yeah, so first time sitting in it, what do you think?
Feels good. That's
yeah,
nice. I didn't know it was gonna have like all this red stitching around.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah,
nice red stitching all around.
It's on the center console too.
There you go.
You know, on the doors. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but no sunroof on this one. You know, because race cars don't have sunroofs.
Is that a shot at Vondell in the last video?
Well, listen, I'm just saying I had a sunroof in my Challenger, and quite frankly, I barely used it, and the light that comes down, it reflects off the screen to the point where you can't see a damn thing on there anymore. So, yeah. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to make a shot at Vondell. He made a stupid decision getting a sunroof. So.
Well, I will say, though, he was going to get his whole roof wrapped black, so yeah, that'll look good with his white car. But yeah, man.
Yeah, it's going to look like that
little
TA Challenger over there.
Yep.
It'll look like that. But
yep.
Yeah, no, this looks fantastic. I could not be happier.
I'm glad you like it, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
So we were going back and forth for a while there to give the viewers a little context. We were going back and forth on what car was the right car for you.
Yeah.
So it was between like a TA over there, and then
getting a Charger, because I was up and down, because I really wanted a TA. A TA is actually probably one of my modern dream cars to actually have.
Yeah.
6-speed manual, of course, with the hood pins. It's got that classic Challenger look. But I fell in love with the Daytonas just because of all the history with the Daytona, and the Charger looks so good. I ended up not doing that because I think I'm going to get a little bit more performance out of the wide body and everything, But this will be nice, especially having the kid, having the 4 doors and everything.
I mean, and that's the reason why we ended up going with the Charger, because this man's a new father.
Yep.
And a Challenger, it does have a back seat, but it doesn't compete with
all the leg room,
all the space back here, because then now you can take your little boy. You guys can go to car meets and stuff like that together, and much easier. So I think the the Charger was definitely the right choice.
Yeah, and I love that I was able to order it the way I wanted to as well, because I mean, I love the Challenger, it was cool, but the Challenger had all this extra stuff on it that I never needed or used.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
Like, getting basically exactly what I wanted is, God, that bulge is awesome in the hood, dude.
Yeah.
Like, that's sweet. But yeah.
Yeah, and then, you know, with the wide body, you get the wider wheels, you get the 6-piston brakes like you do on the Hellcat.
Flat bottom steering wheel.
Flat bottom.
I didn't know that came with the wide body, but I guess it did. I thought it was full round.
Yep. So, you know, it has a lot of nice options, but I mean, I've gone back and forth before whether, you know, the wide body's worth it or not. It is and it isn't. It all depends on what you plan on using the car for. And for his case, he wants to do, you know, some backroads driving, not just drag strip stuff. Like I'm gonna keep saying it again. If you want to go to the drag strip, a wide body is a waste of money.
Yep.
But, well, not a waste of money, but it adds weight and slows the car down.
Yeah, I think it's what, 200 extra pounds with the wide body package on there.
Yeah.
With the suspension.
I would say probably about if you're just talking wide body, probably 120, 130 pounds. But yeah, this thing is super clean. I mean, just take a look at it. I mean, we'll get the pink.
Yeah, I was about to say this is coming off as soon as I get home. I'm not gonna be one of those guys. So.
Yeah, we got to get that off.
Get the tinnitus off the car. So.
But yeah, man, it looks so mean. The stance on it is super aggressive. Congrats again. Yep. So this is we were talking with Aaron in the dealership, our sales guy. This is the, I think, 11th or 12th vehicle in the past like 2 years alone that I've helped buy from him. So yeah, if you have any, I'll put his contact information down below too if you guys want to see that. So yeah, I'm gonna get wrapped up with the paperwork and then go ahead and get out of here. So guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.